quintessential gold guy shot. Summertime. That's what I'm gonna do. Enough of this is really BS. I gotta get my spark back, find my flow, be who I'm supposed to be, and not listen. I think that the garden that I was watering yesterday definitely rivals this. Don't want to need them. Look at that. How cute. Beautiful. Love my nature. Peace of mind moment. Oh my God. End of an era. Hi. Things on sale. That's creepy. Oh my gosh. How sad. Is this you? Hello. Oh my gosh. Things have price tags on them. Can I buy you? How much are you? Oh my goodness. Hi, Frankie. There's I'm going to buy the entire room and just live in the room. I hate that my mind thinks this way, but when you see those images, what do you think? I think of terror attacks. I think of extreme behavior and terrible violence. Here, just steps away from my friend's apartment, that there was a terror attack. The guy drove, I think he drove from down there and just hit bikers. It was horrible and horrendous, and it's such a beautiful area down here. I know this theme, it runs rampant in my life, and it is mime, water, agua. Oh gosh, wow, what is the other word in water? I just love that I still have some New York here, that I can walk with my, like, one of my favorite umbrellas. And this is courtesy, oh, can you see it? It's a lot of fashion. I feel aged. I don't know why. And I had such a great times here, and bad times and sad times and interesting times and private times and kind. That's cute. Are they new or like revamped? I have 6 minutes to go on a little bit more. So, ooh, I learned a lot. I think first of all, you have to just do I dare go to a bar by myself? Yeah, I'll do it. I seriously love my upbringing and the lack of cell phones, social media. Do you know, I am so lost. I've never been this lost in New York City because I followed Waze. I don't know how you really learn it. I mean, I don't know. I also was a delivery person, so I knew the whole city. But first and foremost, I learned to be authentic you. No matter how weird, unique, but that's the only best way to be, is to be yourself. So, okay, I'm going in the wrong direction. So it's like, it's all new light. Ladies, hot stuffs Come on, hot
For the
stuff.
street. You know, these stories are too time consuming. So you gotta learn to condense them. No.
Oh, you don't have to look at them. They're sketchbooks.
No, it's okay.
We're not. This whole place is lined with wine, and I can't see anything. And the floor is really cool. And Chubba Butt. So no, I met at okay. We're going in, but we can't see it. It's good and it's dark. Of a mommy wanting to control and to be able to control the heavens. Look at inside. My friend's 2-year-old is the coolest psychedelic dude. I got lavender misting. Usually there's grasshoppers singing. And look at the stars and the moon.